Subscribe to the Technical Minute with Animation and press the bell icon to get the new video coming first. Friends, you have seen different type of phone. Have you ever seen the craziest phones? If not, in this video you will see which craziest phone is. Number 1. Mickey Mouse cell phone. Who does not know the Mickey Mouse? Everybody's favorite is cartoon. The Mickey Mouse cell phone is made in China. This phone has a dual SIM card. Display size is 1.5 inch. Bluetooth is available. USB cable is available for data transfer. Front and back camera 640,480. MP3, MP4 and FM radio. Number 2. Bluetooth banana phone. What is banana phone? A banana-shaped, Bluetooth-enabled, mobile handset that connects to your smartphone. Interact with your voice assistant and talk to your friends on a banana. You'll get a box like this. In this you get Bluetooth phone, user manual card and USB cable. This Bluetooth banana phone comes in stem, speaker, volume up, multifunction, volume down, LED indicator, microphone, micro USB. Number 3. Shaver phone. You'll get a box like this. In this you get mobile phone, mini brushes and chagrin cable. Look like normal phone. This phone comes in. The dual SIM card gets the power bank on the lower side. The flashlight is available on the back seat. The phone is waterproof and biggest thing is also the shaver on the top. That's all in video. You have liked video. Please tell by command. You have liked the video. Please like and subscribe.